Hey, it's Cliff. Today I want to talk about everything you need to know about the Sologenic airdrop. So if you don't know what a airdrop is, it's when a startup company will distribute tokens so that hopefully more people want to utilize their token, and as well it creates a more decentralized environment for whatever they're trying to build upon. So if we look at Sologenic's website here, their description is that Sologenic is a sophisticated ecosystem built on top of the XRP ledger. It facilitates investing and trading between crypto and non-blockchain assets such as stocks, ETFs, and commodities from the top 30 plus global stock exchanges. So, in short, they are the first exchange being built on the XRP ledger, which, as we've seen in the past, these exchange tokens, when you look at Binance, it's sitting at $520. Uniswap, 14, $12 for PancakeSwap. They do pretty well. Definitely no complaints if you were receiving an airdrop for that. But one thing I noticed here with Binance Coin, the max supply, it's around 200 million. And when we look at Sologenic, their max supply is gonna be 400 million. So when we compare the price, it's sitting currently right now at 548. So there's the potential that this could go up quite a bit. Now that's not financial advice. I don't know what's gonna happen with this token, but it is free money because you're getting it from an airdrop. So that's a pretty good deal. So moving on. I have a tweet here from Bob Raz. He is the co-creator of the Sologenic token. And so what he states here, the snapshot will take place December 24th. It's going to be at 8 p.m. UTC time, and the distribution for those tokens is going to be January 20th at 8 p.m. So here I have the Sologenic decentralized exchange, and it looks pretty clean. Looks like they're going for like a dark mode interface. I dig it. I think it's pretty decent. Yeah, pretty nice. So here, this is how it's gonna work. They are distributing 200 million solo tokens. Now 50% of the supply is gonna go to XRP holders, and another 50% are gonna go to solo holders. Now, most people are not solo holders, so I'm not really gonna cover that. I'm just assuming at this point I'm talking to a bunch of XRP holders who are getting the airdrop through that means. So originally they kind of estimated that solo holders would get 5 solo tokens per solo, and the XRP holders would get 0.2 solo. Now, it's not going to work that way because a lot of people have signed up for this with the trust line to receive these tokens. So what we're looking at currently, as the developers have ran different equations, we're looking at 0.013 solo per each XRP and 1.54 solo per holdings of solo. So definitely a way smaller number, but I mean, it's still free money, so who cares at this point? Like, I'll take your free money if you really want to do that. Um, so if you don't know, you need to set up a trust line with your ledger device, and there's many videos out there showing how to do this. It's very easy. You just go and add asset and put in their address, and click OK or something. Super easy. But there's multiple videos out there that can show you how to do this. So moving on from that, I ran some equations just to kind of get numbers of what we're looking at for the latest numbers of what they gave us. So if you have 100 XRP, you would be getting 1.3 solo, which equates to about $7.12. If you have 1,000, you're looking at 13 solo, which at current price is about 71 bucks. If you have 10K, you look at 130 solo, which is 700 bucks. That's easy free money. And if you are holding quite a bit of XRP at 100K, you're looking at 1,300, and they're gonna drop you like 7 grand. So just to kind of play around with these numbers a little bit, let's say it did go to half of what Binance is right now, and it sits at 250. These are the kind of numbers you're looking at. Now, this is being incredibly optimistic. I don't know if anyone's going to use this exchange. I don't know how the utility is going to be, and I highly doubt probably it's going to go this high. But even if it went to 100, you're still looking at incredible gains. And even if it just sits at like 10 bucks, I mean, that's lunch. So for like 2 seconds of setting up a trust line, if you have 100 XRP, that's lunch money right there. So I'll take it. Now, in my opinion, what's going to happen, they're going to distribute these tokens, and most likely the price is going to tank. People are going to sell their solo tokens, convert it back to XRP or whatever project they want to work on. But maybe once the hype kind of dies down and the company starts working to be a proven exchange, maybe it does inflate. So what I'm going to do with mine, I'm just going to hold on to it. They're giving me free money to invest again, so why not just let it ride and take the chance that potentially it could go up some more. So let me know what you're going to do with yours down in the comments and any other questions that you might have. Thank you.